Serviced here, non-smoker vehicle. Potential factory remaining warranty of X months, X miles. See dealer for details. EPA 28 mpg highway/19 mpg city. Jaguar certified, Carfax 1 owner, clean, low miles, 19,959. nav system, smart device integration, premium sound system, aluminum wheels, serviced here, non-smoker vehicle, potential factory remaining warranty of X months, X miles. See dealer for details. Discover the Luther Advantage. The Luther Advantage is a complete and comprehensive package of benefits designed to make buying and driving a vehicle from the Luther dealerships a pleasant and convenient experience. From the peace of mind that comes with a 5-day 500-mile return or exchange policy, 30-day 1,000 miles full warranty and 60-day 2,500 miles limited powertrain warranty and free Carfax reports and clean title guarantee on pre-owned vehicles, as well as providing Luther customers with full range of valuable discounts at participating holiday station stores including 10 cents off a gallon, $6 for the works car wash among other advantages and guarantees. As much as we like satisfying customers, we like keeping them even more. Purchase with confidence. 6-year/100,000 mile premium limited warranty, 165-point inspection and reconditioning, 24/7 roadside assistance, vehicle history report, no deductible, balance of original 4-year/50,000 mile warranty. Experts rave. As for handling, the 2016 Jaguar F-Type delivers. Big time. All models in the range perform on a very high level. Edmunds.com. Check whether a vehicle is subject to open recalls for safety issues at safercar.gov.